Hey everyone, my name is Eddie Harris. I'm from San Francisco, California, born and raised, and I still live here in the city with my wife of 4 years and our beautiful 15-month-old daughter. A little bit about me: I coach and I teach at a community college in the Bay Area. I teach in the kinesiology department. I'm an adjunct faculty member, meaning part time, and I teach your basic kinesiology or physical education lab classes. So, um, basketball, weight training, walking, badminton. I'm spinning certified. So I usually got a couple spin classes each semester. This semester is a little different. I am teaching online. I have an online body conditioning class and a cardiovascular fitness class. First time I've ever done that. So we're a couple weeks in, and it's been pretty crazy. But you do the best that you can. And as I mentioned, I coach. I coach basketball. I'm a former Division I basketball player. Go Dons! And I just really enjoy just being around students and my players, and giving them knowledge that they can use to further their careers, playing career, or even their life by learning what it means to be healthy and to live a healthy life. So I'm really fortunate to do what I do. I tell people I haven't worked a day in my life, and I would like to continue that, which is why I'm in the program. I'd like to become a full-time faculty member and a head coach at the community college level. Any full-time job at this level, you need your master's degree. So hoping to advance my career through this program. And also, I think with all that's going on in the world right now, a bigger platform for myself to help bring about change for my student athletes, my students, my child, and future children is a good thing. So as far as hobbies go, I kind of forgot what those are, but let's see: working out, lifting weights, sporting events, playing sports, hanging with friends, game night, barbecues, all of that social interaction stuff. It's a lot of my hobbies I haven't been able to do over the last 6 months, but hopefully one day soon we can do that. So current hobbies are just hanging out with the family, spending time with my daughter, and hanging out on the couch watching Netflix with my wife. Anyways, that's a little bit about me. Looking forward to meeting all of you guys. Just want to say good luck and stay safe and take care.